what's the next question? All of the concern is now little bit interesting part will start because now we before this particular lecture we understood LEDs, solar cell, and what photodiode. Now one more semiconductor device is there that is called rectifier. Will you tell me why question to all of you students when we switch on our television, when we switch on our mixer, any charger, mobile phone, are they AC device or DC device? Who will tell me? Are they AC device? AC means what? They will operate on AC voltage or DC voltage. Who will tell me? Now question, what is AC voltage and DC voltage? AC voltage is what? Because question will be there. Na? AC voltage is what? Like this. Fluctuating. This is called AC voltage. Okay. And what is DC voltage means what? DC means what? Straight line. This is called DC voltage. So who will tell me whether it will operate on AC voltage or DC voltage? Whatever electronic devices we use. Anush Khandagai said yes, this DC voltage. So we always use what? DC voltage devices because direct current voltages we use. Jerin, we don't use AC beta. AC is what provided by the Mahavitran जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड में आता है ना where we plug our charger हम लोग plug करते हैं where we plug our 2 pin connector 3 pin connector from that socket no we will get AC supply but after that AC we use electronic devices like television mixer some charger any electronic devices they convert that AC voltage to what DC voltage they convert that AC voltage to what beta DC voltage. So that conversion, that convert, 1 minute. Hello, 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 hello. Students, can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Okay, students. Sorry to one call came. Sorry. Students. So students, we require DC voltage. We require DC voltage for any electronic appliances. Okay. Sorry, all appliances will work on what? DC voltage only. So there is a one circuit which will convert AC to DC from Mahavitran, from Mahadiscom. We will get only AC supply. When we connect 2 pin socket, where we connect 3 pin socket, no. There from that particular point we will get AC supply. So who will convert AC to DC? Rectifier circuit will convert. So rectifier circuit is that circuit which will convert AC to DC. The students electronic device which convert AC voltage to DC voltage AC voltage to DC voltage, such circuit is called AC. So that such circuit is called rectifier, and that process is called rectification. So rectification is the process which will convert AC to DC. Now students are asking, sir, why they don't provide DC voltage? Because provision of DC voltage is really costly and where you will connect a fan, where you will connect is that particular air condition, where you will connect your television, where you will connect that particular mixer. We don't know, no? Because then it is difficult to supply at particular point particular DC voltage. It is really difficult. That's why the government will provide AC. Then you convert according to your requirement. That is a main motto. AC is a standard one. Then you use rectifier circuit into your television, tube light, mixer, fan, air condition, and according to that circuit, will convert AC to what? DC. That's why government will provide what? AC. If they provide DC, then it is really costly, and it is very harmful also because DC is really a direct current. Na? If you get shock, no, if you touch that particular voltage, you will suddenly get totally damaged in your body. And AC, you only get a little bit jhatka, not too much high voltage. Okay, so AC is what for cheaper wise and convenient wise AC they will provide, and but Our all appliances will work on DC. So, so now we will come Jodka Jhatka. Yes, Anush Khandagai said it's a Jodka Jhatka. Yes. So rectifier is a circuit which will convert AC to DC, and that process is called rectification. Okay. Now students are asking, sir, will you explain the uh, that circuit which will convert AC to DC? Yes. Now I am going to come to the point. The circuit name is what? Half wave rectifier, which will convert AC to DC. So all of you concentrate. I will draw the circuit diagram. All of you concentrate. Students, it consists of primary coil. So here we will apply AC supply. This is what AC input. Okay, AC. Here we will connect what? Coil. Okay. After that coil, we will use transformer. You know what is the function of transformer? Transformer will convert what? High AC to DC. Step up transformer and step down transformer. You know that. This is transformer. Okay. Then we connect secondary coil. You will find here number of coils are lesser than primary coil. Okay. This is what primary coil P1, P2. This is S1, S2. Okay. And then we connect diode. This is what P-type semiconductor. This is N-type semiconductor. We connect this particular diode to our television. This is what our load. Okay. RL. Don't do like this. Just draw the register circuit. Register symbol. Okay. This is what load resistance. Load will consist of television, tube light, any electronic appliances. Okay. This is what load. LOAD. Now listen. Now understand the what working of this particular circuit. Okay. So students, let me draw the circuit diagram waveform. With the help of waveform only, we will understand the working. All of you concentrate on. Okay, students. What is AC? AC waveform. Who will draw the AC waveform? AC waveform will be like this. This is what your AC waveform. This is what your AC input. Pulsating, we will say positive, negative, positive, negative. Now listen, students. During positive half cycle, now we have to understand the working of diode in positive half cycle and negative half cycle. Now listen, students. During positive half cycle means what? So waveform will be like this in upper half. Okay, waveform will be what? In upper half. In upper half, no. Here you will positive. Here you will get negative. Agree? During positive half cycle, if I found over here, listen, students. यहाँ पे positive half cycle is there. Positive means what? ऊपर positive, नीचे negative. Agree? Transformer only transfer the voltage. Here positive and here negative. Now at P-type semiconductor connected to which terminal? Positive. And N-type semiconductor connected to which terminal of the voltage? Negative. During only this positive half cycle. Will you say N is connected to negative, P is connected to what? Positive. Can I say during positive half cycle, this diode D is forward bias FB. Forward bias means what? Diode D is what? On. When diode D is on, current will start flowing. Current will start flowing, and you will get what? Voltage across RL. So you will get here positive voltage. Agreed? What about in abhi now understanding negative half cycle? Now understanding negative half cycle. All of you consider. In negative half cycle, no. In negative half cycle, this polarity will reverse. This polarity will reverse. Now positive will be here, negative will be here. Transformer only transfer the voltage. So here positive will transfer and here negative will be transfer. Okay. Now what you will observe over here? We observe P is connected to the negative type terminals, negative voltage, and is connected to what? Positive voltage. Will you say diode is reverse bias? Diode is what? Reverse bias. Reverse bias means what? Diode is off. Off means what? You will not get any voltage. Means what? I just clip that negative pulsating voltage. I kept only positive because I want positive voltage, not negative voltage. So when negative half cycle will flow through the circuit, then this diode is what become off. Off means what? There is no current. No current means what? You will get zero. Again for positive half cycle, you will get what? Positive voltage. Means what? Using this particular half wave rectifier. That's why it is called half wave. Only half the wave is what? Rectified. Other half is what? At least I just reduce that negative AC component. I only keep what? Positive AC component. Means what? Now this is what? DC. Only I just passing what? Positive component. Positive component what? Means DC. Here positive, negative, positive, negative. So just I clip negative waveform from this particular circuit. That is called rectification. This is called half wave rectifier. Only half wave is what? Rectified. Only half wave is convert AC to what? DC. So this is a simple circuit diagram and the working of half wave rectifier. Okay, so students, only you have to remember during positive half cycle, diode is what? Forward bias. Negative half cycle, diode is reverse bias, which is off. Okay, just draw the circuit and the waveform and explain the thing. Explanation I have given into the notes. Hope so you understood the working and the construction.